So you want to make backups of all your computer files to make sure you don't lose anything with a computer crash or a virus infection. If you have a business or a private photo collection, your life will certainly be disrupted if all your data is lost. A business can easily go down the drain with a complete loss of all data. The solution is to have backups made automatically every day or so, and to preferably make off-site backups in case of a theft or a local disaster where all the backups are gone. Amazon's simple storage service, S3, is such an offline storage facility which even a small business or a private person can afford. You can create a bucket on Amazon's server, which is basically just your directory or folder. Make sure you set your bucket to private and use encryption via your backup software. I believe Amazon's also got some encryption available. Here is an important little extract from the S3 website. For customers who must comply with regulatory standards such as PCI and HIPAA, Amazon's S3 data protection features can be used as part of an overall strategy to achieve compliance. Okay, now you need some software to solve your problem once and for all by executing all these scheduled backups automatically and give you a report when it's done. The software I found to be one of the best for this job is what I'd like to show you here. There are actually two versions available. One is the professional and the other is for servers, if you have a server. The software is for the following window-based platforms, and it's basically 8 and 7, NT, Vista, XP, and so on. So here are some of the features of the professional and the server versions. Backup your data to hard drives, tape drives, CD, DVD, Blu-ray drives, with full support for media spanning. Plus, get online data protection from your choice of world-class storage providers, all in the same easy-to-use software. Receive full peace of mind with automatic set-and-forget-it processes, local and online storage best practices, and full disaster recovery protection to protect your system exactly as it was in the event of disaster. You can find and restore files easily and restore historical versions of files from a single view, regardless of when or where the files were backed up. You don't even have to remember which device you stored the file on. The system remembers and tells you. So here are some more features which might interest you, but I'm not going to read them. But you can pause the video and read them yourself if you have to. And I'll show you some screenshots at a later stage. The software claims countless technology and consumer awards, including Top 10 Gold, PC World Best Buy, 2 Cows, 5 Cows, and more. Plus, they have been protecting millions of PCs for over 10 years and is a proud Microsoft Gold certified partner. Presenting Nova Backup Professional and Nova Backup Server. So I've opened up software, and you can see here some backups that have been made last few days, plus all the other things. One is already set up. Cloud backup, so they prompt you for all those things we were talking about already. And I've just moved it down a little bit so you can see the bottom section also. So let's look at the Express wizard. Define and start a backup job. What would you like to back up? Now I've done this already. And there is a window where you can define all these files which you want to back up. So let's look at the custom selection. Now over here on your own C drive, or whatever server you are going to use, you will choose whatever files you want to back up every day automatically. And it will prompt you for all the other goodies after that. If we go back and we look at the cloud backup option, It will also suggest some more servers besides the Amazon S3, which I discussed earlier. It's easy to follow all the prompts and find your way through the software. Here are some of those awards which I told you about. 2 Cows, Editor's Review, Softpedia, Editor's Choice, Windows, and Top 10 Reviews. There are some of the features again. This is quite nice to know that no need to remember to run backups. Nova Backup will even email you and tell you when your files have been backed up. You also get a little icon on the bottom of your computer, giving you a reminder and also a record of your last backup with or without errors. Here's the last one I received this morning. You can see I run it early in the morning after 4 o'clock a.m. And actually I didn't have a backup this morning because I've got an intermittent fault on my external 1 terabyte hard drive. So you will immediately know when you've got problems, when something doesn't work, or if there are files that didn't back up properly. Click the link below to grab yourself a copy. There are 2 links in blue in the description area. One is for the Nova Backup Professional, and the other link is for the Nova Backup Server. Depending whether you need backup for one computer or for a server, simply click the appropriate link in the description area. I hope you enjoyed this video and that it was helpful. Thank you.